Welcome to our comparison of two powerful desktop processors, the Intel Core i7-14700K and the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer or a professional looking for high-performance computing, this comparison will highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each processor. The Intel Core i7-14700K boasts an impressive 20 cores, consisting of 8 performance cores and 12 efficiency cores, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and demanding applications. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D features 8 cores, which, while sufficient for many tasks, may fall short in heavy multitasking scenarios. This significant difference in core count can greatly affect performance in multi-threaded applications. When it comes to clock speed, the Intel Core i7-14700K outshines the Ryzen 75700X3D with a maximum boost clock speed of 5.6 GHz compared to the Ryzen's 4.5 GHz. This higher clock speed translates to better performance in single-threaded tasks and gaming, making the i7-14700K a strong contender for gamers seeking the best performance. However, the Ryzen 75700X3D is designed to excel in gaming at 1080p and 1440p, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. Price is a crucial factor when choosing between these two processors. The Intel Core i7-14700K is priced at $464, which reflects its high-performance capabilities and advanced features. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D is significantly more affordable at $249, making it an attractive option for those looking for excellent gaming performance without breaking the bank. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many consumers. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i7-14700K and the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D have their unique strengths. The i7-14700K excels in multitasking and offers superior clock speeds, while the Ryzen 75700X3D provides exceptional gaming performance at a lower price point. Your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.